Hey big people! Ready to learn how a baby buys a business? Let's dive in. Step 1. Find a business that makes your toes tingle. Think ice cream or toys. Use websites like BizBuySell or Google. Be a detective hunting your perfect match. Step 2. Do your homework. Study those numbers like ABCs, profits and expenses. Ask the owner for financial reports and be a little money detective like me. Step 3. Make an offer. Say I want that business like sharing your favorite snack. Offer a smart price after talking with your advisor. Yummy cookie advice for the win. Step 4. Get a professional checkup. Imagine a doctor for your new biz. Make sure it's healthy and ready for tons of fun and profit ahead. Step 5. Close the deal whoosh. Sign those papers and boom, you're CEO. But don't stop there. Plan to grow your biz like a strong, growing baby tree. Remember, patience and care make your business bloom and grow strong. Now you're ready to rock your new CEO role like a boss baby. Got questions or want more baby boss tips? Hit subscribe and join the party. Thanks for hanging with me. Keep dreaming big and chubbling on those goals. Bye-bye for now. Catch you soon with more baby CEO secrets. Subscribe and watch more videos to join the coolest baby business gang. Turn your business dreams into reality with these simple baby steps. Remember, every big CEO started small, just like you. Time to chubble on success. Go get that business, boss baby style.